Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation on Toyverse, a rental app for toys. I am Bhavni and I am joined by Dhriti and Chavi from EPS, and together we are the app entrepreneurs.
To start things off, let us look at the current state of toys that are put away. 90% of these toys are made of plastic, which end up as waste in landfills, which causes increased pollution. As per a survey, 40% of the toys are used for a month or two and end up in waste dump or in the corner of the house waiting to be thrown away. Our solution addresses this issue by introducing a toy rental app which helps parents who look for convenience, sustainability, and diversity to rent toys. Surveys were conducted to gather insights into consumer behaviors, preferred types of toys for rent, and overall concerns related to renting toys. This data driven approach ensured that our app would cater to the specific requirements of its target audience, providing a seamless and user centric experience.
The primary purpose of our app is to make sure kids reuse the toys. The benefits of renting toys are that kids can get access to a variety of toys. Some kids usually play for just 2 to 10 days and get bored. Those toys can be passed on to other kids with interest. For a few outdoor toys, kids tend to outgrow them after a few months or years. Such cases also, renting the toys will be helpful.
Now, let us dive into the key features of our app. Our app can be used by parents within a known community. So, after a person rents a toy, it will be easier for them to pick up the toy.
App has a sign up or login screen which asks the user to sign up by setting up a username and password. For the first sign up, the user must provide phone number, accept the terms and conditions, and deposit an amount of rupees 5,000.
After the payment is done by the user is taken to the home page where buttons of list of toys, adding a toy for renting, and users rented toys are displayed. When the user clicks on these buttons, the app directs to the respective pages which contains details like photo of the toy, the rent amount for each toy, and an option to rent the toy.
When a user clicks on Rent a Toy button, he or she is directed to pay the amount and a notification is sent to the owner as well as renter saying the toy is rented. The toy is then removed from the list of toys for rent.
Every successful project has a team with special skills at its core. We all worked on the app's overall design. I helped with the coding using MIT App Inventor. Charlie and Pavani were in charge of the research document. We completed the final application using our vendor's assistance. It has really been a team effort. Thank you.